What's the story, YouTube? This is Dragoon13 coming to you again from Ireland, and I actually have mail that I received. I traded a couple of cards out, or sold some of them, for a couple of packs of Aether Revolt. I did this through MTG UK and Ireland Cards for Trade and Sale, which is run by manolake.com. Great place to hang out as well, see what they have for sale. So I haven't opened it yet. This is supposed to be 15 packs, so we're just going to see what we get here. As you can see, the mail didn't really take care of the envelope, but the person that sent me the packs actually showed me a picture, and everything looked really nice and tidy. So that's 5 packs right there. Let's take a look at it. Supposed to get 15 packs. 10 and there we go, 15. So with these packs, I'm not sure if they came from one box or what happened, but it's a long story anyways. If you saw some of my videos, I opened up all that, and whatever I got, the rares and the uncommons that I can sell, I sold. And for this guy, I want to thank him as well, Vasco. Thank you so much for the trade. I sent him 3 fatal pushes plus a couple of pounds, so I can get 15 cards or 15 packs. I also sold some of the cards on that trade group to Neil. Thank you so much for the trust, mate. So we're gonna crack them open and see if we can get anything nice. As always, these packs are hard to open. Come on, there we go. Now, let's see what we got. Pacification Ray, Narnum Renegade, Gremlin Infestation, and Aether Geode Miner. Well, that's a good start. Island and Energy Reserve. So, again, if you watch some of the videos that I posted, I opened those packs behind you. I got a couple of good cards, and I sold some of them for a really low price just to get these packs in, because I really wanted to open a pack, open packs. Unfortunately, I can't get enough money to buy Modern Masters 2017, but maybe someday, you never know. Now, Renegade Wheelsmith, Hidden Herbalist, Reversed Engineer, and an Aid from the Cow, a Swamp, and a Servo token. Now, what I'm going to try to do is actually just try to regulate whatever I already spent for the cards that I bought. So, since I already spent about, I'd say about 100 euros on all of that, whatever I got from those, I'm going to try to sell them and buy some more packs. So whatever I get from these packs as well, I'm going to do the same if there is something worthy to sell. But if there's none, then that means that's the end of it. That's the end of the cycle. But as much as I can do it, I'll try to sell the cards that I get. Now we have Outland Boar, Deft Dismissal, Vengeful Rebel, and a Karizev's Expertise. I'm putting all the other piles there. But hopefully we get something really good, you know. Because if we do get something good, I'll probably trade or sell it again on the trade group, and then try to get some more packs in. No. Rogue Refiner, Trophy Mage, Airdrop Aeronauts, and Midnight Entourage. I think we have a foil in this one. Let's see. And the foil Wielder Automation. Well, so much for the first foil. Not too bad. Now, Spire Patrol, Enraged Giant, Shielded Aether Thief, sorry, and the Spire of Industry. Well, that's worth a couple of bucks, so that's good. So for the first 5 packs, yeah, it's alright. It's okay. Nothing really stand out. Yeah, it could be worse. I mean, still hopeful. We still have 10 packs left anyways. No. Crackdown Construct, Skyship Plunderer, Gonti's Machinations, and a Karizev Skyship Raider. Hopefully I pull something, probably a masterpiece. Well, that's kind of wishful thinking, but you know, that would put me again on a couple of bucks, and I can probably get some more packs in, or probably save all of that for the next expansion, which is pretty interesting. We have another Outland Boar, Felidar Guardian, Gifted Aetherborn, and our rare, another Karizev Skyship Raider. So with those 2 rares, I'm thinking that these packs didn't really come from one box. Probably he won these in tournaments and just kept them for a while, didn't really want to open them, sold them for a good price. So we'll see what we get in these packs. Now, Pima Aether Seer, Skyship Plunderer, Hidden Stockpile, and a Baral, Chief of Compliance. We got a foil as well on this one. Hopefully something good. Let's see. Okay, it's a green. Scrounging Bandar. Alright, not bad, not bad. So that's 2 foils already. No mythics as of yet. To date, with all the packs that I've opened, I have only opened 1 mythic, and that's the Heart of Kirin, which I, as you know, I probably sold already. I sold those cards. Just to get a bit of cash in. Now, Hidden Stockpile, Illusionist Stratageme, Ridge Scale Tusker, and the rare is Metallic Mimic. Okay. As you can see, I still don't have a playmat. Maybe one day I'll get one, but we'll see. It's kind of hard to actually spend on cards at the moment, so that's why I'm trying to regulate whatever I already spent, just to crack some packs. Alright, now Maverick Thopterist, Deadeye Harpooner, Reckless Racer, and the rare is a Oath of a Johnny. Oath of a Johnny. Now, we've already done 10 packs. We still have 5 more to go. Maybe I'm still hoping that we can crack open a pack with a mythic. Maybe. We'll never know. Oh, an Ornithopter. I used to use this card a lot back when I had a strategy on a deck. So Ornithopter, Hidden Herbalist, Airdrop Aeronauts, and the rare is a green, a Heroic Intervention. Right. Excuse me. Alright, now 4 packs. Come on, Mythic. Come on. This has a foil, I think. Another Express. Siege Modification. Gonti's Machinations, is it? Or Machinations. And the rare is a blue Whirl of Inventions. Now, let's see what foil we have. Oh, it's just a white card. Dawn Feather Eagle. Okay, well that was pretty close. Got a big pile of packs right there. Got Daredevil Dragster, Salvage Scuttler, and Narnum Renegade. And our rare is another blue, a Quicksmith Spy. Jeez, we're not getting anything good in these packs. Down to the last 2 packs. I hope the good cards are in the last packs. Maybe. We'll never know. Or we'll actually know. That's wrong. Alright. Now, let's see. Yeah, this probably has a foil. This has a foil. Spire Patrol, Enraged Giant, Shielded Aether Thief, and another green rare, which is a Heroic Intervention, which that is the second one. Now, let's see. A foil, a black card, a Perilous Predicament. Oh, so much for hoping. We're down to the last pack. We are down to the last pack, and we're going to check. Sorry, that was my dog. Maybe you guys can give me a bit of help. Hopefully we open up a mythic or something really good, because right now it's looking really dry. Come on. Now, this also has a foil in it, so let's hope for the best. A Scrapper Champion, Malphus Revolutionary, a Barricade Breaker, so no fatal pushes. That's good. Inspiring Statuary. Okay, so no mythics at all, not even one. And, oh, alright, I miscounted that. So there's nothing as well. So we didn't get any mythics. Nothing really good for that we can sell. We just got a couple of foil cards, which is really worth nothing. And 15 rares that worth a couple of bucks probably. Inspiring Statuary. Got 2 of that. Heroic Intervention. 2 of these. Spire of Industry is probably worth a bit. I'll have to check the price guide for this. There you go. Oath of Ajani. I'm not sure. Probably worth a few bucks as well. But yeah. So just rares and a few uncommons. Nothing really good. Well, that's it for the video. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Subscribe and like. Follow me as well on Twitter, dragoon 13, and if you want to follow me on Facebook as well, it's MTG dragoon 13. All right, thank you so much for watching. See ya.